Hey, it's your boy, Jacob Adams. I'm a fitness and leadership coach. I help people just like you get to the next level. I'll tell you why I'm wearing this Mickey Mouse hat in a little bit. Just hang on. It ties into what I'm sharing with you today. Okay? See, I got this hat in Disney World in Florida. I'm going to tell you why that has something to do with what you're about to hear. See, look, I've been taking AdvoCare products since 2012. Religiously, here's a company I started in Wesco, Texas. I came down from Houston, Texas with only a little filing cabinet, a little accordion file, and I started my training company. That was my first real company. I hired people. I was paying rent to the gym owner, and then eventually I started teaching CrossFit. One day, this woman named Veronica Perales, she comes in, and I knew her from back in the day. She would tell me all about AdvoCare, and she was very persistent. It was actually not her first time telling me at the time, okay? But there I was about to go see Skrillex at the Island, and I got pulled into an office on a Saturday, and I get told, hey Jacob, they're like, Jacob, you really got to get serious about AdvoCare. And I was like, what are these guys saying? Like, it's Saturday, are you guys being for real? It's kind of like, are you guys being for real right now? Are you guys being for real right now? And it turns out they were. They really wanted me to take AdvoCare serious. So I'm like, okay, look, slow down here for a second. Is this stuff real? Like, I'm a trainer. I know products, okay? And I've used many supplements, and I know all about the body, and I know how to get the most energy from it. I know how to build muscle. Are these products worth my time? Like, do they sell because they're good? Like, in other words, like BSN or any other company, like you buy it because you're like, dude, this could be the thing, right? And you as a trainer or someone that's into fitness, right? You know what I mean, right? When you buy supplements, you pay thinking, okay, this is gonna get me a pre-workout pump, or this is gonna get me some more testosterone, or this is gonna get me more muscle, or this is a protein shake, etc., right? Whether it's Redcon, I like Redcon protein. I drink Redcon protein right now, right? We buy it because we want the gains, dude. Bottom line. So I wanted to know, is this that good? Are these products that good, or is it just what you say because you sell it? I bought this cup because it's good. I bought this cap because it's cool. This little mic, these beads, these like $60 beads. This ring is like a $30 ring, handmade. I bought it because it's good, because I wanted it. I just wanted to know, does this actually sell? Because it's good. Veronica said, it is. All I could do was put her to the test, right? Isn't that what you got to do with your supplements? But are all your supplements 100% money back guaranteed? AdvoCare is. AdvoCare is. What's more is, do your products currently let you get an extra income from them? Now, I know that some people are sponsored by Animal, or some people are sponsored by other companies, and that's cool, dude. If that's what you want to do, go for it. What I'm sharing with you today is something deeper. You see, this is 6-7 years. They paid for my family to go to Disney World. I got this at Disney World. They even gave us $250 or something like that, $200 for spending cash. And I saw fireworks on the beach. It was amazing. It was the most serene time ever. It was like a beautiful, beautiful feeling. I'm just unpackaging it for you right here in front of you. Looking back, I'm like, dude, that's what it feels like to be at a good level. And I want to invite you on that journey. And the only way to even have a chance at that is to engage with these products. Now, people engage with these products all the time. All the time, people engage with these products. Okay? I've been selling them for years. I've been using them for years. Both. I used them today. I woke up in the morning. I had a greens powder shake. I had a Spark. This is Spark right here. Right here, I have one called Mass Impact. It's brand new, but I used some of this today too. I pushed 315 for 2, 315 on the bench press for 2. On the hip thrusters, I was moving like 300 pounds. I was contracting really good. I use mass impact. Hip thrusters are important, aren't they? People that are in the know that hip thrusters is a very up and coming move. Look, I get it, dude. Some people, like, if you're skeptical, I was skeptical too. And here I am wearing a Mickey Mouse hat on a video on a Sunday, making a video on a Sunday while the Red Hot Chili Peppers play, while I got some potatoes on the skillet being cooked right now. And I said, let me get on here on this video and spit the real deal. Let me get on this video and spit the real deal and give you a chance to get involved with AdvoCare. We build champions. We build champions. The products, bit by bit, build champions. Look at this. This is like a new strawberry spark flavor. Delicious. It's got some nootropics in there, meaning some caffeine is one of the key nootropics. If you read Dave Asprey's book, nootropics, right? Caffeine, it's got B12 in there, it's got tyrosine, it's got a mood enhancer. Okay, this is some real clean stuff. I saw my friend JP the other day, and he was, I hadn't seen him in years, and I reached out to him. I really wanted to talk to him. He's been going to church for 20 years. I've been walking the path a little bit less because I took a break off the church. And I say to him, look, man, the first thing I do is I gave him some spark. He loved it. He said, I was a little groggy, now I feel good, right? These products have changed my life, my family's life, and I know if you give me a chance, they change my clients' lives. I know if you give me a chance, they can change yours. The minimum they'll do is make you feel awesome. That's the minimum thing they'll do. The worst thing, the lowest rung is they're gonna make you healthier, have more energy. And if they don't, they're 100% money back guarantee. Let's say you click the link below, you order, or you talk to me. My number is 512-994-7328. Say, Jacob, I'll do this, man. I know you're being real. I'm being real with you. I'm being real with you, dude. Right? Get involved. Dude, to get involved in AdvoCare is like $20 as a preferred customer. You can say that's the low entry point. You get 20% off the products. I get 40% off the products. So you're getting it close to my price, and you can get up to 40%. I'll show you how. I'll help you. Okay? It might take you a week. It might take you 2 weeks. It might take you a year. It might take you 2 years. You'll get them at my price eventually. If you want to sell, if you want to just save, but they will change your life. They will change your life. Am I getting paid to say this? I'm telling you, yes, I am, but I'm also loving the product. And I want to ask you something. Don't you want to get paid to say the same? To pay this forward, to pay something like this forward? If you do, let me know. Say, Jacob, I'll give it a shot, man. I'll take the step you took and have taken several since then. I'll do what you did. I'll give it a shot. I'll give a cleanse a shot. I'll try some Spark. I'll try some probiotics. If you sit down with me, if we talk on the phone or on a FaceTime or on a Skype, whatever you want to do, however you feel best. If you do that, we could talk. We could talk about it and get the best solution for you. It's all 100% money back guarantee. I get paid to just share the message, dude. And to coach and to help instruct and help you become healthier, and then help me help others pay it forward. Then that's where you get paid. That's my question to you. Look, I've been a trainer since 2003, dude. It's 2019. Do you really think I don't know what I'm talking about? Like, seriously, just take a moment to think about that for a second. Like, there's Mia Finnegan was an IFBB pro. She's in AdvoCare. I'm telling you, this is a very reputable company. We do build champions. Drew Brees, quarterback for the New Orleans Saints. Jason Witten, who just came back out of retirement. Who does that? He's using AdvoCare. Rich Froning, 4-time CrossFit champion, endorser of AdvoCare. The new Patrick Mahomes from the Kansas City Chiefs also uses AdvoCare. So let me ask you this. The pros use it. I use it. I'm telling you, it's 100% money back guarantee. It's tested for quality. It's tested for cleanliness. Like, you're not going to test dirty on any kind of sports testing. It's going to deliver it. So let me ask you something. It's 100% money back guarantee. The only reason you would not is you don't like me, you think the product is crap, or you don't like the price. That's the only reason you would say no to this proposal. You doubt me? It's 100% money back. Dude, if you go to AdvoCare right now and you look at it, it's got a stamp of integrity. We stand behind the product. We're not playing games, dude. Why else would they bust out So much money, $27,000 for us to go to Disney World. You see what I'm saying? Like, but I need people to join me to help impact the world more. The only thing worth having in this world, the only thing worth doing is impact. To impact the world positively. Don't you want that? Look, if you want that, let's talk. 512-994-7328. That's my number. I'm being real with you. The product's 100% money back guarantee. It's Sunday. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm being real with you. How many offers like this do you get? One of the people in AdvoCare said, listen, imagine your life two years from now. Imagine it without an opportunity like this. Now imagine it with an opportunity like this. That's powerful. I'm wearing a Mickey Mouse cap. I'm making this video because I have intention to keep expanding. I'm reaching out to people like you because I see potential in you. That potential is not the rarest thing in the world. People that take action, people that want to lead, to make an impact for themselves, to rise up to the challenge and become a champion. That is what I'm looking for. That's why I'm making this video. Look, if you just want to use a product, that's cool too, dude. It's totally cool. You're gonna love them. But if you want something a little more, if you need to take your life by the horns and you need a vehicle to get there, like a vehicle, something like this, I'm telling you, this is a vehicle. I'm letting you know, this is real, dude. This is a real hat I bought there at Disney World. I'm being 100% authentic with you. It was amazing. As I went home, as I got into the hotel at the Grand Floridian, like the Disney World song of Dreams Come True, or like, it's like the one, like, I can't remember it right off the top of my head. It's like Dreams Do Come True or something like that. It was playing as I went inside. My little nephew was there. He loved it. We bought ice cream for him. I bought ice cream for him. We went to the Haunted Mansion there. Man, it was amazing. Like I went on the Pandora ride. Look, dude, I pray this reaches a part of you that you know I'm being so real with you. 512 is my number. 512-994-7328. Look, to get started in AdvoCare is only like $69 or $59. That's the starter kit to be a distributor. You can just start distributing product with only $59. You are gonna need some product to be a product of the product. You are. That's real talk. Okay? I have spent so much money on these products and I've made so much money, and I'm now, that's the future. So 6 years from 2012, man, wow, right? There's a lot of stories from that to then. I've changed a lot of lives from there to there. Okay? You are gonna need that distributor kit. You are gonna need to be a product of the product. Pick your favorite ones and then just share that. If you do that, say you don't like it. You have 30 days to try the products. It's 100% money back guarantee. You just ship it back. They will give you what you paid back into your credit card. Whatever credit card you use, just ship it back. So it's $7 to ship it back. $5, whatever you use, just ship it back. They'll give you a little return number. You put it on the label, on the box, and you get your money back. But I don't think you'll do that. I don't think you'll do that. If you're a fitness person and you know product, what probably is you're gonna get more product. What probably is gonna happen is you're gonna love what it does for your body. What's probably gonna happen is, if you keep down the path, you'll become a champion. Join my team. Join my team and let's trust the process together. Look, I wouldn't be having this hat if I wouldn't be on here at Sunday at this late at night if this wasn't something that meant something to me, and if it wasn't something that I believed in fully. Fully, dude. Fully. And that belief's coming from somewhere, right? 7 years, thousands of dollars made, like $100,000 over the last 7 years. coming from somewhere. Come on, join me. 512, try the products. 512-994-7328. We'll see you next time.